Alright, so hi everyone, kumusta po? Welcome to the channel. For this video, we'll be unboxing this 7-port USB hub from the brand AUKEY. So if you're not familiar with the brand AUKEY, they've been around for quite some time now, and they've uh, specialize on manufacturing or building products that supports USB interfaces such as USB hubs, USB chargers, wireless chargers as well, and other devices that supports your mobile gadgets. Okay, so what we have here is a USB 7-port USB hub actually that has dedicated ports for charging, just for charging and not data transfer. Okay, so this is the box right here, and on the front you can see the brand AUKEY. It says here's 24 months warranty by a seal, the barcode, and the picture of the product itself with the glossy finish right there. Okay, and on the bottom part it says here 7-port powered USB hub, and it says the same, only in a different language. Okay, on the side there's nothing except the AUKEY authenticity sticker with a QR code, and on this other side you can see here it just says the same 7-port powered USB hub, and it says the same, only in different languages. Okay, at the bottom part, AUKEY company information there, barcode. I think this is a serial number, I'm not sure. Okay, and at the back, it says some description about the USB hub. It says there 7-port powered USB hub easily connects 7 USB devices to your PC, laptop simultaneously, such as keyboard, mouse, card reader, hard disk drive, webcam, MP3 players, Oculus, etc. It also says that USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports transfer data at up to 5 gigabytes per second, which is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Lastly, it says AI-powered adaptive charging technology ensures that your device is charged at the fastest rate at up to 2.4 amperes. The bottom part shows more specifications. I'll just flash this on the screen right now. Okay, so the box actually opens from the front. There, that's their presentation, and on this side you can see some pictures on how you would be able to set up this 7-port USB hub, and this is the hub right there. Okay, so actually makikita mo na agad siya, magkakaroon ka na ng idea. Nice presentation though. Okay, from here you can see you have 1 2 3 4 USB port for data, and 3 USB ports for charging alone. Okay, so let's open this. Oops, what's that? Ano yun? Nothing else. May tumalsik. Ano yun? Tumalsik to. What's that? I'm not sure. Okay, like a rubber. Parang goma. Okay. Alright, so this one, let's take a look at the power adapter first. So it's rated at 102 to 40 volts input and has an output of 12 volts, 3 amperes right there. Okay. Male to male USB cable right there. So one end will be connected to your computer, other end is to the USB hub. Okay, and some paperwork, user manual. Let's just take a quick scan right there. That's it. Okay, and this is the USB hub right here. The rubber that actually came off earlier is this rubber right there. It's the rubber feet. Okay, okay. If you take a look at this inside, it actually uses a um, triangle head screw. Okay, not that you need to open this, but if you need so, may idea ka na. Okay, let's put this back here. Okay, there. And at the bottom, you can see it has a model number or a model code of CB-H19, made in China. Okay, it's plastic build, magaan siya. How you it's aluminum build, but um, it's fine with me. Okay, so on the side you can see the on off switch right there, the DC in and the 3.0 USB in from your computer to this USB hub. Okay, and on the other side wala, and at the front you can see there these four ports are for your data transfer, and on the lower part these three ports are dedicated for charging. I'm not sure if this lights up, but let's test this out right now. Okay, so the USB hub has been set up right there. Okay, so this is connected to the wall socket, and this is to the laptop, and we have our razor blade right here. Okay, okay, so obviously you can set this up um, with a much cleaner look, but this is just to show you how it goes in terms of the connection. All right, so we have our setup right here, and I have here 1, 2, and 3 hard drives right here. We have 2 terabyte. I think this is 2 terabyte or 1 terabyte hard drive. This is also a 1 terabyte hard drive, and this one is a 4 terabyte Seagate hard drive. Okay, so tetestingin natin to na connect natin dito lahat. Okupahan natin lahat ng USB port ng USB hub na to. First is the Toshiba hard drive. Okay. The other one is the Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive. And the lastly, the SanDisk USB. Okay, there. Okay, let's open the Windows File Explorer PC, and boom, hindi na recognize. Now, bakit di na recognize? Kasi hindi po siya naka-on. You need to switch this on. Okay, let's push that there, and makita nyo nag-on na tong LED indicator light. It shows a green light that indicates it's turned on, and yan, nag-appear na yung mga hard drives there. Okay, so there, and isa pa. So this one right here is our 4 terabyte hard drive, this one. Okay, and this one is our Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive, this one is the Toshiba right there, the black one, and this one is our biggest capacity storage, which is the 16 terabyte flash drive right here. Just joking. Okay, so that's just the flash drive. Okay, so let's just test out also the power ports. Okay, so I have here a charging cable from our OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition. So this is the orange cable that they have included in the package, and let's try if it will charge the OnePlus. There, yeah. Obviously, you can see it's at 100%, but it shows that it's charging the device. Of course, it will not charge your OnePlus at the same rate as their dash charge, but it shows that the charging ports are working. You may think that why not just make all 7 ports as data ports, since data ports or data USB ports also charges your device. But let's admit that it's always good to have a dedicated charging ports or charging station for your device, and not just rely on the charging speeds that uh, data USB ports provides. Syempre, di ba, mas mabilis talaga mag-charge yung device natin kapag dedicated charger yung gamit natin, and hindi yung data ports lang. Obviously, you can set this up like this, only provide a better cable management, but this only shows how you would probably able to set up your USB devices together with this 7-port powered USB hub. Okay, so that's the AUKEY CB-H19 7-port powered USB hub. If you find this video useful, leave a like and share this to your friends. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure to hit that bell notification icon. As always, thank you very much for watching. This is RLCHD. Stay strong, stay safe, and stay healthy. We can do this, whatever it takes. Peace. God bless.